Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy Ethereum on your Etoro. First of all, just go into your Google Chrome browser and search for Etoro.com and then log into your Etoro account like I already did. And after logging into your Etoro account, you can see that you are on the home page of Etoro. And on the home page or on any other page, you can see a search box here. And on the search box, if you simply type for Ethereum, you can see all of the Ethereum options appear. From here, there is a trade option also. If you simply click on trade, even from the search bar, you'll be able to buy Ethereum on your Etoro. Now simply put in the amount and order type, and you'll be able to buy after clicking on the buy option. And that's how easy it is to buy Ethereum on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.